Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making mini beef meat pie. Ingredients for today's meat pie include 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 400 grams of butter, a tablespoon of salt, half cup of cold water, 1 room temperature egg, 30 grams of full cream milk, 1 red onion, and some canned beef. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We already have a recipe to meat pie making on the channel, and in that recipe we made the mixture, which is the meat pie dough mixture. So you can check out that recipe to find out how the whole thing was done. The only difference is that today we are going to make a mini version of that for small chops ordered for a friend's birthday. So to begin, we are going to roll out the meat pie dough and then cut it with the meat pie cutter. We'll be using the second smallest cutter in the meat pie cutting set. Then we'll also be including into the mixture of the red onions and beef a tablespoon of white pepper. Then we'll use a fork to mix that together and then fetch some into the meat pie dough which has been lifted into the meat pie cutter. After that, we'll use the meat pie cutter to close the ends of the meat pie dough which has been filled with the onions and beef. To secure this, you would have to dip your hands in a bit of water. You would have to dip your hands in a bit of water to coat the edges of the dough and then close it with the meat pie cutter. For the next one, we are going to lift the dough onto the meat pie cutter, include some of the filling, which is the beef and veggies filling, coat the ends with some water and then close it with the meat pie cutter. We'll use this same process to make all the meat pies that we'll be baking today. And this is how it looks like. So I'm going to crack 1 egg into a bowl, add in the milk and then mix it together with the aid of a food painting brush. Then I'll use a fork to poke some holes on the meat pies which I've arranged onto a parchment paper on a baking sheet. And then with the aid of the brush, I'm going to paint the tops of the meat pies as seen in the video being displayed. This is to kind of give it a nice look on the top when it's baked. And this is the final look for baking. So we bake this at 160 degrees for 15 minutes at most. Since they are smaller, you have to check on it from time to time to prevent it from getting burnt. And this is how it looks after it has been baked. Our mini beef meat pie is ready. And you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow.